All right, so here's the Roomba. It did the first room, which is this room right here. Okay, so it came all the way up to here. Now the second room right here is just this part of the kitchen. So it shouldn't take it too long to do it, right? All right, I'm gonna set this down here for a second. All right, so here's our Roomba. It's been connected to it, so it should be pretty powered up. So I'm gonna hit room 2. Well, it's supposed to do it. Oh, here. All right, let's go here. All right, let's close this out. And oh, here it is. All right, so it did that other room, right? We're 100% charged, and this is room 2. So if I click on this, it should give me the ability to go ahead and start it. So I'm just gonna go like that. All right, so now when I do that, it colors the room. You see that? Colors the room. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hit, bam, do it. And here we go. Check it out.
Recalibrating location to continue.
So it's recalibrating. It's already mapped this whole room out. And now what it's gonna do, it's gonna go over there, it's gonna clean that area. So it's going right over there. You can see it moving on here. See that dot? Now it knows where it's at, and it's gonna start cleaning. So that's right where it's at in the room. It's got to get a little bit of this area here, and then it's gonna just go in there and start doing its thing. Oh look, it's coming all the way over here. Oh yeah, so yeah, I see what's going on here. But it can't get in there because that thing's in the way. But look at it, it's still crawling over stuff. No, it can't really get in there. All right, so that's not gonna work. So now it's gotta push its way out. Let's see. Oh God. Come on, you can do it. So here's the situation that we got it in. And I'm just gonna have to help it a little bit, I think. I'm hoping it continues to go. All right, it's gonna come out now, I think. All right, so this is some things that you're gonna see, right? It's trying to push forward, but it can't do it. All right, what I'm gonna try is I'm gonna move this. I'm just gonna move it out of the way. I'm gonna move this too. See if it goes. All right, so you're gonna have to move some things like that because, oh shit, this is heavy. Set it up there. All right, so yeah, that was definitely a problem. Let's get back in the app. All right, so now, here it is. Now you can see what it did, but now we're gonna just let her go and crank through the whole area. Now that was interesting. So you saw how it got stuck on that. So you guys gotta pay attention to things like that have like, see that's got a slope on it and it's metal. We couldn't get around it, man, it got stuck. So it does have some limitations. It's doing pretty good though. All right, yeah. Kind of want to keep this app open, but it keeps closing on me. But we can watch it as it moves on the app. So you could be in the living room, and you could be watching your Roomba in the kitchen. Now here's the interesting part. It's coming up to this doorway. Now I had the doors closed before. I want to see if it remembers that. So these doors were closed before, but will it remember that? See that? Uh-oh. No, okay, it gets it. It gets it. All right. Yeah, that worked. So it goes a little bit beyond what its border was before, which I think is okay. There she goes. Still working its way around. Now it's going to have, looks like it's almost got its whole circumference done. And once it does that, it's got its LiDAR or whatever the radar thing is on it that basically, you know, sets it so that it can come through and just go and get everything. Look at that, that was weird. It didn't get under the cupboard though. So watch, here it comes back to over here. And it's kind of going into this room here a little bit. You see that? Yeah. Now it's coming back. All right, so it's made one complete circle. It did get tied up over here earlier with the chair, but I think it's going to be okay now. It's going to just keep on cleaning. So now all we got to do is just let it do its thing. And what it's going to do is it's going to turn that whole area that it just did green. That's its objective. So each time it goes across, it gets greener. And you can see how it's filling in there. So the app is important. You gotta have your app. Otherwise you can't start the thing. You know? So you gotta download that app. I have a video on that, how to do it. It's a long intro process, but I think you guys can handle it. And you can see it's getting greener and greener. And let's see if it gets all of this dirt that's on the floor. It'll be interesting to see how well it does. Getting greener. You can see it following up on there. Now it comes back down. Now it's gonna, oh, just missed that. Got that one though. It's like, oh, I gotta get around that. All right, so it's doing pretty good. So it's making a, oh, okay, good. Now it's gone under. I think it's gonna come around. Let's see if it gets this junk. Did it get it? I mean, it has to do a lot of passes because the area that it sucks up stuff from is not as wide as the whole machine. So, yeah. The question is, does it get, will it get all that stuff on the floor? Right, so it had to do some extra work around that. Hopefully it doesn't get caught in there. So there are little things that you have to be aware of. Let's see if it gets that piece of stuff. Did it get it? No, it didn't get that. You see this? Oh, because it's smushed on the floor. Let's see if it gets it now. So stuff that's smashed into the floor, it's not going to pull that up. It doesn't have the strength. But for a quick cleaning, I think you know, I mean, it's probably going to work for you. Encounters an obstacle. And this is where all the dirt gets, that's under the table, because people are eating at the table and you know, they're dropping crumbs on the ground. So that's kind of an important area. Now, I could have picked the whole table up, but it's pretty heavy and that would require me doing extra work. But let's just see, oh, like, see how it's like knocking that out? So the question is, if it hits it, if that little, I guess it would be a tendrils that are stick out there, hit something, it kind of pushes it away from the suction area. So that is, I don't know. There she comes, look at her. Yeah, pick that up. And then it gets there and it knows it can't go through there. So it's got to go around. So it's still trying to get that, paint that area completely green. Once it's painted it green, man, it's done. Then it goes on to the next area. The question is it going to get all the dirt off the floor? That's my question. So this is real time. All right, pick that chunk up. That's good. Now it's coming underneath. So it's still got to paint a lot of areas. I see a lot of dirt right there. Come on, you can do it, Robiata. It's getting there. That thing pushes the dirt around. I don't know if that's good or bad. Look how close we are. We're almost done in this area. Let me just show you guys. Yeah. We've got still a couple spots we got to paint. Trying to get them. See it? Over here, it's got to get all that. It's doing a pretty good job. You still got some crumbs on the floor you need to get, dude. I mean, I'm looking right at them. So that's what, now it's coming up there. See how it gets it? All right, so it thinks it's got it. But what it hasn't got is right here. Look at this. I'll show you. See this stuff? It hasn't got, it should pick that up. I don't get why it's not. I totally missed that. Dude, you totally missed some stuff. I hate to say it, man. All right, that, it's saying cleaning complete. So this is what happens at the end. It just takes itself right back to its charging post. Look at that. That was 14 minutes it took to do that. But it did not get everything clean. I'm a little disappointed in that. But we'll see, because we're going to do a little video on how to clean the basket on the vacuum. See how it gets closer, and then now it's going to back up and get the contacts right on there. Look at that. All right, we're almost there. Cha-ching, and there we are. And that is room. That's room 2. We still got 87% on this thing. I mean, it could really clean everything. This is what it did, all right? It did the first room, and now it did the second. So basically, that's it right there. It did miss some dirt, I gotta say. I don't wanna be crucial on it, but yeah, it does have some limitations. But if you need to get a quick clean, I think it's gonna work.